Let's add a few more instance variables. First, we are simulating Piggybank, so we should have a Piggybank object as a simulator begins. Private Piggybank, Piggybank is a new Piggybank object there. So Piggybank is from model we have defined there. And as we click buttons like insert, we are going to insert the coin into Piggybank, and then we are going to define the button listener outside this one as a separate class. So we need to have access to the Piggybank and radio buttons in the display. So let's define getters for that. Public Piggybank, get Piggybank, return Piggybank. Public. Another one is J text area, get display, return display. Another one is radio buttons, J radio button array, get radio buttons, return radio buttons there. So we set we gave the getters of those ones, and then let's take care of insert button. And insert button, add action listener. We are going to attach event listener for the insert button. Then we are going to define that in a new class, Piggybank insert listener object. We are going to create that. There we pass the current Piggybank simulator object, this there. So this is a dedicated event listener for insert only. That's why we don't have to give insert button as instance member, since this event listener is exclusively attached for the insert button only, so we don't need to check which button has been pressed. So in controller, let's add a Piggybank insert listener.java, and to be a listener we need to implement a action listener interface that is required, and the action listener is in Java AWT event package action listener there. This is interface, so the class that implements interface should override the method defined in the interface, that is action performed. So this method will be called when insert button is clicked exclusively, so we don't need to check what happens for some other cases. So when insert button is clicked, here the error is we need to import pb insert listener is in controller package. And the still error because we passed this, but here we didn't define constructor for that yet. Public pb insert listener takes a Piggybank simulator. So graphic panel there, and let's save the panel. Private Piggybank simulator panel. Then this dot panel is the panel passed as an argument or parameter. Let's save that so that we can use that later. So everything is set just for testing purpose. System.out.println insert button is clicked. So let's just test up to that. Insert, so insert message shows up there. So what we need to do is as we click insert button, we need to check which radio buttons are selected, and then based on the button, radio button, we just add the create the coin for each button and then insert the coin into the piggy bank. That's what we need to do. And then on this display message, we are going to just show the progress message.